Okay, action!
What is brother? Si brother, ano?
Ilan taon na ba si brother ito?
1957, ang ilang taon na ba eh? 52, wala na hindi, 53 na.
What is life after 50 years?
Huwag kang umiyak ha?
No, okay lang.
What is life after 50 and what is life, diba, 5 years in the faith?
Dalian mo,
Ay, miss na ba ako? Live before, hindi pa ako Christian, medyo, siyempre, iba. Wala kang takot eh. Every time you do something, sige lang, bahala na. Pero at least ngayon, medyo nag-iisip ka eh.
It's the Holy Spirit.
Yeah, especially, you know, my problem yung nakaraan sa akin, mga problema ko. But the only thing I can say is that I'm very much happier right now. The pressure is much lesser. The pressure. Because alam mo naman na in a way, kahit anong gawin mo, someone is there helping you, ginaguide ka. I must accept that since medyo nabawasan yung mga problema ko, that's really good to us. We've been blessed. Sobra.
What verse are you...
Deuteronomy chapter 1.
Itong teacher natin, hindi pwede walang verse yan eh. Mapaghahalata ka na hindi nagbabasa ng Bible eh.
Lagi ko talagang iniisip eh, every time na ang pinaka-ano ko talaga is John 3:16 eh.
For God so loved the world that He gave His only
For God so loved the world, He gave His only Son para sa atin. Parang minsan nahihiya na ako din. Pero kung gagawa ka ng kasal, iisipin mo yun eh.
Yeah.
Iisipin mo talaga. Sige naman, yung mahal na mahal tayo, tapos hindi natin hindi natin tinatanggap yung iisipin mo lahat talaga. Diyos, iisipin mo lahat. I'm brother, binigay mo ko sa t-shirt ito. I'm not religious, but I just love the Lord much. Kasi hindi ako masyado talaga nagbabasa kasi accept it. Saka wala na yung memory ko, nawala na. Medyo kabola, laya ako, practice ko. Pero at least nagbabasa once in a while, lalo na.
Okay, in-edit ko na yun. I-edit ko na yun.